Yeah, she got me riding solo down here at the bar, drinking all alone, sipping from a Dixie, wishing it would fix me. Had me on a high like Colorado. Now she got me riding solo. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This song was requested a few weeks ago, and I'm so sorry it slipped my mind. I don't know how I missed it. I mean, I even replied to the comment, so I'm so sorry that it's taken me a few weeks to get back to it. I really apologize for that. I owe you something. Here's a lesson for you. This song was requested. This is How to Play Solo by Munsick. I'd never heard the song. I never heard him before, but hey, I like the requests. All right, so if you guys have requests, keep them coming. So this song is super easy to play. Okay, you're gonna have a capo on the first fret, and it's going to be in standard tuning. All right, now I'm going to show you how to play the chords and the chords you're going to use, and then I'm going to show you where you play them and the strumming pattern. Okay, so but before I do that, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Okay, I really do appreciate it when I get more subscribers. It means a lot to me, and we've got a pretty fun, cool community going. So I appreciate it when you guys do. Please do. All right, so let's get into it. So this song, you're going to use 3 chords primarily, but you're going to use 5 chords total. So you're going to do A minor. Okay, so A minor, and everything when there's a capo is in relation to the capo. So okay, so A minor is you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, your ring finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Now the next one is F. I'm going to show you an easy way to do this for people that are beginners, all right? So the way that you're supposed to play it is like this, okay? So you're going to be barring the 1st fret all the way across, starting on the E string, and then you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, your pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the D string, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, that's how you're supposed to do it. Now, for this song, it's a much easier transition if you do it this way. So you're going to go from A minor, you'll lift up those 2, so you'll keep on your pointer finger, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put your middle finger, all right, it's going to go on the 2nd fret on the G string, and then your ring finger, will go on the 3rd fret on the D string. So it doesn't sound exactly the same. It's like F major 7, but it's very similar. Okay, so what you would do is you would go. Next one is C. All right, so for like 3/4 of the song, you're playing A minor, F, C. So hear how similar it sounds. Now I'm going to play the other way. So it still works, right? It still totally works. That was way easier because you're just leaving your pointer finger on the whole time. The next one you're going to do is C. So you're going to put your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the A string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, that's C. Then you're going to do D. So D, put your pointer finger, all right, like you can see there, your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and then your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. And then I mute the big E string with my thumb. Okay, then you're also going to do G. You can do either one for this song. I think it's easier if you do this G, but it's up to you. So pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, so those are all the chords you're going to need. Now I'm going to show you how you're going to play them. So the strumming pattern for this song is just down, up, 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 down. So it's just alternating the whole time. Down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so you're just doing that the whole time. So what you're going to do is you're going to play A minor, F, C through the verses. That's how you play the whole verses. Now I play the chorus, and it's part of the chorus, but it's not the whole thing. For the verse, so for the intro, you're going to play that 3 times. A minor, F, C. 3 times, just up, down, up, down. Now, when you start playing the verses, you're going to play it softer. So you're going to do, loving her was like living on cloud 9, like hopping up on a gate after an 8-second ride, like looking back. Okay, see, you're just doing that. But you play it a little bit softer because the chorus, you're going to play a little bit louder, so it has like more, so it builds a little bit and stuff, right? So you're going to do, loving is A minor, loving her, So hers, you go to F. All right, I'm doing the easy F. Loving her was like living a C, living on cloud nine, like hopping is A minor, hopping up on the gate. Okay, gate is F, gate after an 8. Okay, 8 is C, 8-second ride, like looking. Okay, looking is A minor, looking down on heaven. Heaven is F, heaven laying in my bed. Bed is C, bed every night. But then is A minor. Then she went and said is F, said goodbye. So goodbye is C. All right. So you're gonna do goodbye. Then I would mute, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. Yeah, she got me riding solo. So solo is where you're gonna play the first chord for the chorus. You're gonna do A minor. So you're gonna start with the same. It's gonna be A minor, F, C. All right, you're gonna do that 3 times. She got me riding solo. F, C. Down here at the bar. Bar is A minor. Bar drinking all. So all is F. All alone. Alone is C. Alone. Sipping from a Dixie. Okay, Dixie is A minor. Dixie, wishing is F, wishing it would fix is C, fix me, had me on a high. Okay, high is where you do D, that's the first time you do D. High like Colorado. Okay, so at the Colorado, O is where you're gonna do F. Oh, now she got, so then got is where you're gonna play G. Got me riding solo, so you're gonna do yeah, she got me riding solo. You do A minor, F, C. Got me riding solo. Then you go into the next verse, okay? Now, so I'll walk you through that one time just by playing it. So I'm just gonna do it so you can watch my fingers, okay? She got me riding solo. Down here at the bar, drinking all alone. Sipping from a Dixie. Wishing it would fix me, had me on a high like Colorado. Yeah, she got me riding solo. Got me riding solo. Okay, and then you go on to the next verse. So now you know how to play 2/3 of the song, actually more than that. The only thing that you don't know how to play so far is the bridge. So the bridge is just D, and then you're also gonna do F. Okay, so D, F, D, F, and then you do G, and then you do F, C. Okay, so you're gonna do went from so high to so low. So low is F, so low. Went from in love is where you do D, love to heartbroke. Oh no, no. Then you do G for she got me riding solo. So solo again, you do F, solo, solo, solo. Down here at the bar, drinking all alone. Okay, you don't have to play any chords for down here at the bar, drinking all alone, or you could just keep doing C, and you're gonna go into the chorus. So that's how I play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching, and it's been fun.